Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, we aren't just looking at a car. We are observing a 4-year evolutionary journey condensed into a single, breathtaking machine. This is the Tedson Motors Daydream Commission UK #1. The first thing that captures the soul is the color, slate gray. It's a hue that carries the weight of Porsche's 1970s racing heritage, made legendary by Steve McQueen. But here, on this remastered 964 chassis, it feels entirely modern. Notice how the light dances across the widened carbon fiber fenders. This isn't a backdate, it's a forward-looking update that asks, what if the 964 never stopped evolving? As the camera pans across the silhouette, look at the roofline. Tedson has achieved something remarkable here by removing the traditional rain gutters. This is a structural carbon fiber roof, engineered to be lighter and significantly stiffer than the original steel. But the genius is hidden. Beneath this sleek carbon skin lie 3 integrated roll bars, providing supercar-level rigidity without disrupting the minimalist cabin. Even the side mirrors have been reimagined, slimmer, more aerodynamic, and housing high-tech internals. Every curve you see has been scanned and perfected in a digital wind tunnel before being brought to life in hand-laid carbon fiber. Let's step inside this right-hand drive sanctuary. The contrast between the slate gray exterior and the Cognac Napa leather interior is masterclass in design. We see the fusion of heritage Pepita textiles and aerospace-grade aluminum that has been CNC milled from single blocks. Look at the dials. The central tachometer is custom-matched to the exterior paint, a subtle nod to the level of Bespoke Tedson offers. Being the first UK-specific commission, every switch and control has been repositioned with surgical precision to ensure the driver is at the absolute center of the experience. It feels less like a car interior and more like a high-end watch movement. At the rear, the Daydream signature comes alive with a bespoke LED light strip that defines its 21st century stance. Beneath that ducktail spoiler sits a 4.0-liter air-cooled heart, capable of delivering visceral power, framed by ceramic-coated exhausts that manage heat with industrial efficiency. On the fender, the UK #1 badge stands as a testament to this being the first of its kind to hit British soil. I'm Ava, and the Tedson Daydream is proof that while perfection is a moving target, this comes incredibly close. It is a 4-year evolution of a dream, now a reality in slate gray. Which detail of this Coachbuilt masterpiece speaks to you the most?